In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend an image in Affinity Designer. We'll start right inside the Affinity app on your computer. Once it's open, make sure your workspace is visible and you can see your canvas and the main toolbars. The interface is consistent across versions, so even if yours looks slightly different, the controls we're using will be in the same general spots. Next, click on the image you want to bend so it's actively selected. When an image is selected, you'll see a bounding box with handles around it. That visual cue is important because every transformation we do depends on having the correct layer targeted. If you don't see the bounding box, click the image again until it appears and glance at the layers panel to confirm you're on the right layer. Now, look to the top left of the interface and switch to Pixel Studio, also known as the Pixel Persona. This moves you into Affinity Designer's pixel editing environment, which is where the tools for warping and bending raster images live. In Designer Persona, you focus on vector shapes. In Pixel Studio, you edit bitmap content directly, which is exactly what we need for bending photos or texture layers. With the image still selected, choose the Move tool on the left toolbar. The Move tool doesn't bend by itself, but it ensures your selection remains active and that the on-canvas controls behave as expected. You'll also get a clear view of your bounding box, which helps you see how the warp affects the edges as you work. From here, pick either the Perspective tool or the Mesh Warp tool. Use Perspective when you want a clean, planing or distortion, great for making an image sit naturally on a wall, a screen, or a surface that recedes in space. You'll see corner handles that you can drag to push and pull the image into a realistic angle. Keep an eye on straight lines in your image. Aligning those with the new perspective usually gives the most convincing result. Choose Mesh Warp when you want a curved or organic bend. You'll get a grid over your image with nodes and handles you can move. Small, gradual adjustments typically look better than extreme pulls, and working from broad areas toward details helps maintain smooth transitions. If your edit starts to look uneven, gently reposition neighboring nodes to spread the distortion more evenly across the image. Whether you go with Perspective or Mesh Warp, take your time, zoom in to check edges and details, and make subtle refinements until the bend looks natural. That's all there is to it. Open the app, select your image, switch to Pixel Studio, confirm the Move tool, and then bend with either Perspective or Mesh Warp for the result you want.